Freebird solo. Freebird solo, part one. Now I've been working on this for a while. I mean, this one here, this one's got some stuff. This one's got some stuff. It's endurance. You got to strengthen your fingers. Your fingertips have got to be hard as rocks. I mean, it is, and of course the speed and to do the bends over and over. This is, but look, this is legendary rock and roll. It is awesome, classic as you want to get. The Freebird solo, and this is part one, and I'm gonna do the whole thing. This is awesome. This is as fun as it looks. This is as awesome as it looks. It's worth all the pain, all the tears, all the sweat. It's worth it. And just to get to the point where I could be here learning this. But the Freebird solo, I mean, look, if you like what I'm doing, give me a like, subscribe. I mean, look, we are going places here. We are going places. Mr. Johnny USA 3000. I mean, Freebird. I mean, come on, this is amazing. This is good. Well, all right. I'm going to start working on the part two. The next part of the solo. I'm doing the whole thing. I'm doing this whole solo. And all the greatness of Freebird. All right. Hey, thank you for watching.